As long as they're working, I gotta keep them busy, and I gotta do work on the jobs they're working on. Because they can't do all the work. They're gonna do all the work at Christmas, and I don't care how it comes out.
It's to everybody.
It pisses me off a little bit. But then blame me.
Then
blame me. That's kind of
Sky
bad.
Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride. And no smoking,
They didn't even charge you any more money than that.
Look at the Arctic area.
And I knew you had enough money to cover it. And he lied to me about it. So I get the thing from the bench. You got $4,800.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30,000 animals over the past 50
And I told him,
years?
like, I can
You
probably
can
do
learn
all
more
this
about
stuff enough to
our
satisfy
television
them.
series, Sea Rescue.
And still have extra money left over. If you want to do something at your house, do it at your house. I'm not going to do that.
And gain a better understanding of the rich
I told him
Atlantic
I
sea
went to his house last and said, you know, all the money that's left,
Oh, because they're
What
trying to
Sea
train down
Rescue
for
I don't think I can do it for that.
on ABC.
So we're going to
Oh, like, that's the back where
wait till
they
you save up money
sometimes
and take it
go.
back from the other
Because I see that go that little tunnel, and I was like, what are they
But
doing?
it was just in there, And he's never, like, he owed me $700 for rent when he was living with me. Paid me back like 15, 18 years
Find
later.
some amazing
Paid me
animals
back.
in a gift
That was
shop
cool.
journey to Atlantis, where sharks
Look at the
circle
parking
above
lot.
They have that Arctic place. We can go see like the polar bears and the narwhal.
A lot of parking spaces though.
And the penguin. In Roblox they have this. Oh yeah, they do.
Look, if you look all the way over there, look over here. You see that white tip on the very far end of the castle? That's
Here you can see for miles and
Space
miles.
Mountain.
As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for the lush
Old Town. I see Old Town. I see
Oh, look at it.
Ferris
That's
wheel.
supposed to be where penguins and stuff are, right?
where you can snorkel with rays and
The
exotic
ice
fish,
thing?
relax
Oh yeah, you can see
at a
the
beautiful
tower.
beach, and even swim alongside
Old
dolphins.
Town.
So,
It's the Sea Lion and Otter Show.
The sea lion otter show.
So it's like
Oh, the red roof one?
You should go see that with them.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. Look for our
You guys
signature
want to
ride,
watch the sea lion
two
otter show?
awesome enclosed tube slides that send you speeding through a lively lagoon filled with Commerson's dolphins.
You can get like the app for
Visit the
the.
information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove
We're
and
going
more.
around. Look at the dolphin.
the little kids are, yeah. They're working on it or something.
Oh, that's the whales.
Oh.
I don't know. Can't
As
see
the
anything.
cabin rotates, you'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest,
Over there.
and longest
To the
roller
balloon.
coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster.
That's the balloon.
Mako is named for one of the ocean's fastest known sharks and reaches top speeds of 73 miles per hour along nearly
Yeah.
a mile of track.
Oh, that's pretty high.
I see people.
This is Ferris wheel,
This
Kev.
is,
They're so tiny.
Where you see that? Right there.
they look like little 800 feet.
As you
Look
look
at
for the icy rocks that tower above SeaWorld,
They look
you'll
like
see our
tiny
epic
ants,
attraction,
right?
Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never
We're
before.
so big today, though.
Look
We're
at
not
this
Mysterious
stuck.
land
Like,
through a penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above and below the water, and be inspired to
afraid
make
of
a
it?
difference.
Why?
As soon as we get out of here, we're running over to the sea lion otter show.
We're way higher than right now.
We're on a
Look
mission,
at the
and it's
flamingo
big
ride.
but not
After the
impossible.
sea lion
Together, we're going to protect marine
That's right.
and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protection, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from heart to planet.
Are we gonna land in
Yeah, the Sea Lion and Otter Show is in 10 minutes.
Okay, then we'll go.
Interact
And then
is
we'll
a big
see-
part of a
I feel
SeaWorld
like
day.
I'm
We can either see
After an
Pass a
awesome animal
Boy
encounter, unwind at
at
one of Orlando's
2:15
least
or
known
the
fun dining
I feel like I'm
experiences.
going to the ocean.
Sharks Underwater Grill.
or the Dolphin Days. But isn't that the one we saw yesterday?
Yesterday, yeah.
We're going into the ocean.
No, Shamu's at 5.
For more information,
I'm gonna be
any
here till
guided
5.
They have a show right there.
Joey gets home at 4.
or restaurant reservations, just stop by the guest
We'll
information
be out there,
area
like,
near the front of the SeaWorld entrance gates.
When we get out, we just gotta
We'll
go.
leave at 4.
I'll see. I'll call him to see.
Let's just sit down and eat some snacks, and then we're gonna go off again. Where we this is so. I never done this
We
before,
hope that you
right?
enjoyed your ride
We
aboard
can
the
go
No, you've
SeaWorld
never been on
Sky
this.
Tower.
Yeah, next level.
Be sure to check
That
your
right there.
seats
Look,
for
it's
any
over there. So we're gonna go
belongings.
straight. Make
Watch
sure
your
we're
step as you
diagonally.
exit the
Yeah,
cabin.
we're gonna go right up.
Thanks for joining us, and have a whale of a day at SeaWorld.
Not like home.
Seriously. Perfect.
SeaWorld that's all about animals.
They got a
Right?
is
What about
that-
sea animals? Yep.
Is this like? Is this water?
No.
Ice.
It's a wall.